Right. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
All right. Hello,
Good
one.
afternoon.
Hello. Who was that? Jobs. Hello.
Hi.
O2. Hello. Are you there? Right, okay. Met, are you there? No. Okay. Kate, are you there?
Yes, I am here.
I'm here.
Okay, Matt, I can hear you. Kate, are you there?
Yeah.
Right, okay, so everyone's here. Right, how are you today? Are you happy? Are you well?
Not really happy.
No, why not?
Just got in some argument with my mom.
Oh, okay. Arguing with mum, that's never good. Right, okay. O2, where are you today? In your condo? Ah, so you're sitting in a different place than usual. Usually I can see your fridge. Right, okay then. So Jobs has decided to be, what's that, Jobs? A cat?
Yes.
Are you a cat?
No.
Right, okay. So today you were looking at this unit, yes? Unit 45, talking about the time. So I hope everybody is confident with talking about the time. I think you should be, but let's see, shall we? I have a little quiz for you to check. Let's see if you're telling the time is good. Right, so what we are going to do is what you are going to do is to go to this website. Can you see the name of this website? It's Quiziz. Okay, let me put the link. Let me give you the link in a minute, 1 second. Okay.
Teacher, can you play Bouquet?
Pardon?
Can we play Bouquet?
Well, we're not doing that. We're doing this right now. So you can see the link in the chat if you need the link, or you can just go to the website. Up to you. So go to the Quiziz website by clicking on the link in the chat, the Zoom chat box, or you can just type in your Google, in your browser, you can just type in www.quiziz.com/join. And when you are there, type in the code, the game code, 781440. Okay, there's another link there in case you can't get through on the first link. So I can see Jobs and O2. Jobs and O2 have joined. Where is Kate? Where are you? Where is Met? Where is One?
I'm Joy.
Well, I can't see your name. When you join, I can see your name and it says how many people. You can see 2 people, Jobs and O2. Right, okay, who's that? Who's that? One, okay, yes, One. Well done, you are in. Kate and Met. Okay, Met, I can see you. Kate, where are you? Right, there you are. Right, okay, guys, so let's get started. Are you ready? There are 10.
Too fast. The time is too fast.
Well, maybe you have to be faster.
Yeah, I need to be very fast.
That's right. Yeah, you can't mess around. Right, so we got 3 incorrect answers. Oh.
But it's too fast.
Oh, I don't think I will.
Okay, 1 second. You can see what the scores are here. We don't know who answered incorrectly, not yet, but you can see there were 3 incorrect answers. Okay, let's do the next one. Get ready. Go. "20 seconds is more than enough time, I think, for you to answer. We have 3 answers in. 8 seconds, 7 seconds. All done. Okay. Let's see. Jobs is top. Oh, Kate. Kate has moved to the top. Well done, Kate.
Come on, teacher.
Wow, we still have 3 incorrect answers, guys. Oh, maybe you need to practice telling the time a little bit more.
It's too fast. The time is too fast.
No, it's not too fast. It's not too fast. The time is just right.
It's not that fast. I
No,
can
it's not
still
that fast.
answer.
If you can't answer this question in 20 seconds, Met, it means you need to practice your English time telling some more. That's what it means. If you think this is fast to tell the time, it means you need to learn how to tell the time. Okay, that's why we're doing this.
For me, it's not fast.
Right, okay, so let's get ready for the next one.
Can I do this?
Okay, we need one more answer. 6 seconds. 5. Right, that's better. That's better. We only have 1 incorrect answer this time.
Oh,
Who's on
no.
top? Kate's still on top. Jobs in 2nd place. O2 in 3rd place.
Teacher,
Yes.
can I out?
No, you cannot go out. Why do you want to go out? Because you think this is too fast? No, mate. You have to study. You have to study faster. That means think faster and answer faster. 20 seconds is more than enough time. But you have 3 choices.
No.
Only 3 choices.
Okay.
It's so easy. Really.
No.
Yeah, exactly.
on.
It should be easy for everyone.
Oh, man.
Oh, O2 is moved up to 2nd place. We still had 2 incorrect answers. Really? Come on, guys. It's noon, midday.
Not correct.
Oh, that's not good. All right. Okay. So That's why we do this, so that you can tell, you can see if you can do this or if it's difficult for you. Then you know you need to study about telling the time. Okay.
8 listen ไม่ใช่8
8 o'clock. Is it 8 o'clock? No. So now you know there are only 2 choices. Okay.
I accidentally clicked the wrong one.
Oh, we still have 2 incorrect answers. Oh. Yes.
I'm correct only 2 questions.
Oh.
อันนี้คือ10 โมงกว่า
So remember, the small hand is the hour hand. The big hand is the minute hand. Is it past or is it to?
Oh!
Yay!
So who is on top now? Oh, 1 is in first place. Whoa! Well done, 1. We had 3 incorrect answers. Oh my word. Oh, this. We only had 1 correct answer. 1 was the only person to get the correct answer.
Third 5.
Well, this is quite bad, guys. So I think maybe you have forgotten how to tell the time in English.
It's super bad for
I
me.
know now. I know now.
Right,
But
okay.
not
I'm a bit confused, but I'm okay now.
Do you want me to show you a chart with a clock and how to say the time?
No thanks, I'm good.
No? You can raise your hand. Raise your hand if you want me to show you the clock with past and to and how to tell the time. If you want me to show you a picture,
no.
raise your hand. If you don't raise your hand, I will not show you. No? Okay. Everyone is confident. So that should mean there should not be any incorrect answers. Every answer should be correct from now on. Everyone says I get it now. Okay, let's see. Next question. The small hand is the hour hand. The long hand, the big long one, is the minute hand. Is it minutes past or is it minutes to?
I accidentally clicked the wrong one.
And one more answer. Oh, someone didn't
no.
answer.
I clicked the right one.
Who didn't answer?
I don't know.
Me, sure, because I don't know why I'm out, but I'm not. Okay, I'm signed.
Ah, okay, all right. Internet problems. Well, everyone got it right. Yes, everyone got it correct. Excellent. Okay, that's much better. Okay, next question, number 8.
What?
Question number 8.
Okay.
6 seconds. 2 more answers to come in. Come on, guys. 4 seconds. Put the answer. Okay.
I clicked the wrong one.
Oh,
No.
what? Really?
Okay,
I
will
clicked
learn.
the right one, but like it told me I clicked the wrong
Oh,
one. I
my
don't know why.
word. No one got the answer correct. Oh,
Learn.
wow. So this question, what time is it?
It's kind of tricky.
Okay, all right. Well, if we look at
But like I
the
clicked,
3,
I
if we
clicked
look-
the
if
right
we-
one, but like
if we look at the 3 answers, the 3 choices you have, 2 of them use to 20 to 9, 20 to 10. One of them uses past. Okay, so now we know, you should know, it is not the one that uses past. So we only have a choice of 2. We have a choice of 20 to 9 or 20 to 10. When you look at the hour hand, is it before the 9 or is it after the 9? That's all you need to think about, guys. If you want to know the hour, you just have to think about, is it before or is it after the number? If it's before the number, then it's like it is now, it's before the 10. So we know the next hour will be 10. If it's after the 9, we know it cannot be 9. It's gone past the 9 already. So the next hour will be 10. Okay, that's all you need to remember. It's really, really, really easy. All right, okay, let's do the next one. Question number 9. So is it past or to? We know it's not past, so it can only be 5:45 or 25 to 6.
I think I'm wrong.
Oh, who is the pizza you got in there just in time? The pizza 02, or you're just lucky. So 2 incorrect answers still, okay. So if we look at,
I got it right.
you got it right, okay. Well, if we look at this one again, remember, if it goes past the 6, let me annotate. So here is the 6. If this hour hand, this is the hour hand, okay. If it's before the 6, we know the next hour is 6. So we know it's 2:06. This minute hand has gone past the 6. So we know we use the word to. We don't use past, we use the word to. If it goes past the 6, we cannot say past, 10 past, 5 past, 20 past, cannot. It's gone past the number 6. If it's before the number 6, then we use past. 5 past, 10 past, quarter past. But it's on number 7. The minute hand is on number 7. So we cannot say past. We have to use the word to. Then we just need to count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 2. It's 25 minutes. It's really, really easy if you can think about it in that way. All right, think about it in that way and it will be much easier for you. Okay, let's do the next one.
I don't know.
Okay, what time is it? 20 to 4, quarter to 4, 20 past 4. So we can't say past, we have to say to.
No, I think I clicked the wrong one again.
I don't understand why you keep clicking the wrong one. How can you click the wrong one?
Oh,
Take your time.
I clicked the right one.
Okay, so let's see. Who's on top now? Kate is still on top. 1 second place. Jobs in 3rd place. 02, you've dropped down to 4th. And we still have 1 incorrect answer. Okay. Another way to think about it is trying to remember, if it's on 6, we know there are 30 minutes. If it's on 8, there are 40 minutes. If it's on 10, there are 10 minutes. Okay, you can think about it that way. How many minutes are left in the hour? How many minutes have gone past the hour? If you can think about it in that way,
My school teach me like 1 is 5, 2 is like 10.
10, yeah, 5. So we can count it like that. We can count it with 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. If you can count in 5s, it's very, very, very easy. If you can subtract, if you can minus, take away, it's very, very easy. All right, that's all you need to think about. Just think about these numbers, all right? 5, 10, 15, 20. That should help you to do it a bit faster because there is a 20-second time limit, so you do need to be a little bit fast. But if you can remember those numbers, if it's on 40, that means there are 20 minutes It's 40 minutes past. There are 20 minutes left. 22. If it's on 9, it's 45 minutes past the hour. It's 1/4 to 15 minutes to the next hour. So just remember those big numbers. Okay, this is number 11. So it's the minute hand is on the 6. Should be very easy. The minute hand is on the 6. Look at the hour hand. Is it before the 5 or after the 5? Oh, and who didn't answer? Who didn't answer? I can't believe someone did not answer. Oh, it's very bad. No answer is very bad. And there is one incorrect answer. Oh.
I'm not answer.
Oh, one. Why didn't you answer?
I want to answer 5:30.
Okay, 5:30. Well, that's wrong. It's 4:30. Remember, the hour hand is before the 5. So it's not 5 o'clock yet. It's still 4 o'clock. But
I almost clicked the 5 when I saw it, but like, wait, there's a 4:30 too, so I clicked the 4.
Right, so you can see the hour hand, the small, the short one, is before the 5. So it's not 5 o'clock yet. It's still 4 o'clock. If the small hand is before the number, if it's before the number, it hasn't reached that hour yet. It's not there yet. It's not 5 o'clock yet. It's still 4 o'clock. Okay. Right, there's one more question. So this one is the easiest one of all. Everyone should get this correct. If there are any wrong answers here, then we will go and study how to tell the time. If everyone gets this correct, and why haven't you answered yet? Okay. Now let's see. Leaderboard, who's on top? Kate in first place, Jobs in second, O2 in third, 1 in fourth. Right, well done. Okay, everyone got that correct. Well, that's a load off my mind. Okay, so you can see you do need to improve your telling the time in English and possibly in Thai language as well. Just telling the time, being able to tell the time. Everyone needs to improve on that. Okay. Right, so I have to do the exercise in the book with you. Because I think you may not.
Teacher, we can leave the game, right?
Yes, you can leave the game. We are now going back to Zoom. And you should be able to see page 95 in the book, exercise D. So here we have a train timetable. Train timetable. Do you understand what a timetable is? Who can tell me what a timetable, a train timetable is? We could have a train timetable, a bus timetable. What is it? What does it tell us? What information does it give us? Does anybody know the answer? What a train timetable is? Okay, I will ask you. 1, what is a train timetable?
It's 8 to 8 plus 8.
Okay, O2, what is a train timetable?
Trains between stations with timetable.
But what does it tell us?
About the train go about the train time, about the station times,
Times for what?
the stations that the train will arrive.
Okay, I think maybe you are correct, but you didn't explain it very well. So what it is, a train timetable, or maybe it's a bus timetable. They tell you what time the train or the bus goes to that station, what time it gets to that station. So you can see here we have 5 places. We have Jacktown, Falwing, Letmore, Keepfield, Endwich. These are 5 places. Maybe they're a town, maybe they are towns somewhere. And the numbers you can see, they are the times. They are the times that the train will get to this train station. So you can see Jacktown has 4 times. So that means there are 4 trains that will be calling, stopping at Jacktown. The first train will stop at Jacktown at what time? What time will the first train stop at Jacktown? What time is it? Come on, everybody. Tell me what time.
8:30.
8:30. Thank you, O2. What time will the second train stop at Jacktown?
9:15.
9:15. And the third train?
11:10.
And the fourth train?
12:30.
12:30. Okay, now let's look at Keepfield. Keepfield, what time will the first train stop at Keepfield station? 10:10. Okay. Oh, we've lost one. Okay, Kate, what time will the second train stop at Keepfield station? The second train, Kate, what time will it stop at Keepfield station?
Repeat again, please.
What time will the second train stop at Keepfield station? The second train. Keepfield station, second train. What time?
Oh, the 11:25.
Okay, yes, correct. 1. What time will the second train stop at Letmore station? 1. Can you hear me?
Yes.
What time will the second train stop at Letmore station? Letmore station, second train. What time will it stop there? Letmore station, second train. What time?
10:15.
10:15? No. We're looking at this time here. Letmore station, second train. Say the 2 numbers. 1.
10:55.
Right, okay. So the time will be 10:55. Okay, Met, what time will the second train stop at Endwich station? Endwich station. What time will the second train stop there?
And with 12.
Yes, say the second number. What is the other number?
12.
Just say the 2 numbers, Met. Say the 2 numbers. 12. What's the second number?
12.
20.
25.
Right, okay, so the time is 12:25. Okay, so now we know where the stations and what time the trains stop there. We should be able to answer these questions. So there are 6 questions here for you to answer. Number 1, how many stations will my train stop at after I get on it at Jacktown and before I arrive at Keepfield? So question number 1, how many stations will my train stop at after I get on it at Jacktown and before I arrive at Keepfield? So all you need to do is find Jacktown. So you can see Jacktown is here. We are getting off the train. We arrive at Keepfield. The question is, how many stations will the train stop at after I get on at Jacktown? So we look, Jacktown is here. We get on at Jacktown. It has to stop at Fulwing. It has to stop at Letmore. Then we get off at Keepfield. How many stations did it stop at?
2 or 3.
Only one answer, only one number.
2.
Right, it stopped at 2 stations before we got to Keepfield. It stopped at Fulwing and it stopped at Letmore. So the answer for number 1 is 2. How many stations will my train stop at after I get on it at Jacktown and before I arrive at Keepfield? 2. Okay. Question number 2. How long is the journey to Keepfield if I leave Fulwing on the 11:45 train? How long is the journey to Keepfield? So that means we get off at Keepfield. How long is the journey to Keepfield if I leave Fulwing? So we start at Fulwing and we stop at Keepfield.
1 hour. 1 hour.
Right, okay, so we leave Fulwing on the 11:45 train. So Fulwing, 11:45 train. Get off at Keepfield at what time? 12:45.
12:45.
Right, so O2, yes, you were correct. Well done. How long is the journey? The journey is 1 hour. Okay, so now you have 4 questions. Question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, question number 6. I want you to send your answers in the Zoom chat box. Make sure you send to me, don't send to everyone. Send your answers to me in the Zoom chat box, okay? Questions 3, 4, 5, and 6. Write your answers in the Zoom chat box and send to me, okay? 1, do you understand?
Understand.
Kate, do you understand?
Yeah.
Met, do you understand?
Yeah.
O2, do you understand? Jobs, do you understand?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, guys.
ไม่ปิดไหมปิดโอ้ปิดได้แล้ว
There are only 4 questions, guys. How are you getting on? Has anyone done question number 3 yet?
Number 3, I think many hour.
All right, well, it's 2:05. How long must I wait on the platform at Letmore Station until the next train arrives? So what we need to do is look at Letmore Station. Look at the time that they said. They said the time is 2:05. So what we need to do is look for a train that leaves close to that time. It's 2:05. The next train after 5 minutes past 2 will be at, it's very, very easy. Question number 4. I must arrive in Endwich by 11:20. Which train must I catch from Letmore Station? So we start at Letmore, we go to Endwich. I must arrive in Endwich by 11:20. So 11:20 is the latest time we can get to Endwich. What time must we leave Letmore Station to get to Endwich? No later than 11:20. So remember, these all go down in one row. We take them down in one line.
Teacher, could I go to the toilet?
Yes, of course you can. So we go down in one line. So the train starts at Jacktown, goes to Fulwing, then it goes to Letmore, then it goes to Keepfield, then it goes to Endwich. Okay, they all go down like this in one line.
I can answer only 2 questions.
Pardon? 2%?
I can only answer 2 questions. The rest
Oh,
5 and 6, I don't know.
so number 5, I want to travel from Jacktown to Endwich on the fastest train. What time does it leave? So I want to travel from Jacktown. So we start at Jacktown at the top. I want to go to Endwich at the bottom on the fastest train. So now we need to do some calculations. Which train, which one of these is the fastest? So if we look at 8:30, the time is 8:30 in the morning. It leaves Jacktown and it gets to Endwich at 11:15. You need to calculate how many hours and minutes this is. And then you need to do the same. How many hours and minutes is this journey? How many hours and minutes is this journey? How many hours and minutes? How many hours and minutes? Which one of these is the shortest time? Okay, that's what you need to do there. So we have 2 answers so far. Who is that? O2 and Jobs. Well, O2, you have to think of an answer. You can't just say, I don't know. If you say, I don't know, in every subject at school, Will you get the score? Will your teacher say, oh, it's okay that you don't know? Or will your teacher say, well, maybe you should work harder and try to figure it out? Or ask the teacher a question. And then question number 6. If I leave Jacktown Station at 9:15, spend an hour in Keepfield, then catch the next train to Endwich, what time will I arrive? So this one, you need to split it up. Split it up into 3 different parts, and then it would be easier for you to work the times out. Okay, let's see if your answers are correct, Jobs. Let me check here. Okay, O2, thank you for sending your last 2 answers. Well done. Oh, very different to Jobs. Jobs and O2, you have very different answers. This will be interesting. Kate, 1, Met, what question are you on? Which question number are you on? How many have you completed? One, how many questions have you completed? One, can you hear me? Okay, Kate, can you hear me?
Yeah.
How many questions have you completed?
I have 1 more to complete.
Okay, which number?
The 6.
Number 6, okay. Met, what about you? Which questions have you completed? Met, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, which questions have you finished? Met, have you finished any questions?
Right.
It's a simple answer. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Have you finished any questions?
Yeah.
Okay, which questions have you finished? Which number?
Number.
Okay, right. So we're going to give you 1 more minute to send your answers in. Otherwise, I'll give you 0. If I don't get any answers from you, I'll give you 0. You have 1 more minute and then we will check the answers. Right, okay then, so let's check some answers. So number 3. All right, okay, so number 3, it's 2:05. How long must I wait on the platform at Letmore Station until the next train arrives? So Letmore Station, it's 2:05. 2 o'clock will be number 14. So 2:05. The next train at Letmore leaves at 2:20. So 5 minutes past 2 up to 2:20. We have to wait a total of how long must I wait on the platform? The answer is 15 minutes. How long must I wait on the platform at Letmore Station until the next train arrives? 15 minutes. So nobody got that answer correct.
Oh, I
3,
didn't chat you in.
4
I didn't-
hours. One answer was 4 hours. 8 hours was another answer. Okay, all right. So question number 4. I must arrive in Endwich by 11:20. Which train must I catch from Letmore Station? So we are leaving from Letmore and we are going to Endwich at the bottom. I must arrive in Endwich by 11:20. So 11:20. So we want to get there for 11:15. That is before 11:20. So we can get this train. It's the first train that will arrive before 11:20. I must arrive in Endwich by 11:20. Which train must I catch from Letmore Station? So we just need to go back to Letmore. Which train must I catch? 9:55. So we can say the the 9:55 train. Did anyone get that right? Number 4, 9:55. Yes, Jobs, you are correct. Well done. And O2, no. Okay, Jobs, you've got one correct. And the next question, number 5. I want to travel from Jacktown to Endwich on the fastest train. What time does it leave? So Jacktown all the way to Endwich. Okay, so we have to work out the times, how long it takes for each train, for each journey. So if we start at 8:30 and we stop at 11:15, how long is that? So if we just make it simple, we can just, yeah, and how many minutes though? We have hours and minutes. That's what will be the difference.
3 and 45 hours.
Right, so 8 to, let's do 8 to 11. 8 to 11, what's that? So 8, yeah, you can count it on your fingers, 8, 9, 10, 11, that's 3. Okay, then we need to take away the 30 and then add 15, or just take away 15. How long is that? 3 hours.
3 hours, 45 minutes.
Right, okay. 3 hours,
Yeah,
15 minutes. So we can just do it like this. We'll just do 3.15 and M for minutes. All right, we'll do it like this. 3 hours, 15 minutes. Okay, and the second journey, so 9 to 12, how long is that? That's 3. And then we've got 25 and 15, so that's 3 hours, 10 minutes. So this one, 3 hours, 10 minutes. And then we have the third journey, so it's 11:10 to 1:40. How long is that? How long is that journey? So 11 to 1 will be 2 hours, 2 hours 30. So 2 hours 30. And the last journey starts at 12:30 and ends at 2:55. How long is that journey? Okay, all right, so it's 2 hours and 25 minutes. So which journey is the fastest? On the
2
fastest
hours,
train?
30 minutes. 2 hours, 30 minutes.
Right, 2 hours, 30 minutes. So I want to travel from Jacktown to Enrich on the fastest train. What time does it leave? What time does it leave?
2 hours, 30 minutes.
No, what time does the train leave? 2 hours, 30 minutes is how long the journey is. What time do we have to get on the train? What time does it leave? Come on, guys, it's really easy. Look, this one here. No, sorry. No. This one, 2 hours 25 is 5 minutes less than 2 hours 30.
Oh.
So we have to get on the train at 12:30. This is the shortest journey. The fastest journey is 2 hours 25 minutes. That is the fastest train, and it leaves at 12:30. So the last question, if I leave Jacktown Station at 9:15, spend an hour in Keithfield, then catch the next train to Enrich, what time will I arrive? So again, you have to break it up, split it up. If I leave Jacktown Station, so Jacktown at the top, at 9:15, so we leave Jacktown at this time, spend an hour in Keepfield. So we go to Keepfield, we arrive at Keepfield. At what time do we arrive at Keepfield? What is the time? Anybody read the time? The longer you take to answer, the longer we stay in class. Come on, guys, somebody say the time. There are 5 students here. I expect 5 people to say the time. There are
30, 40.
No. Look at the time in blue. What is this time? Say the time.
11:25.
Right, thank you. Right, we arrive at Keepfield at 11:25. We spend 1 hour. What is 1 hour after 11:25? What is the time?
12:25.
12:25, right. Then catch the next train to Enrich. 12:25, we stay in Keepfield. The next train, the next train will be at 12:45. We catch this train to Enrich. What time will we arrive at Enrich?
13:40.
13:40.
Right, excellent. So what time will I arrive? 13:40. Okay, so there are your answers. Right, did anybody get all of the answers correct? I don't think so.
No.
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 2 answers correct was the most. Right, okay, so well done for trying, but you can see you need to practice telling the time a little bit more, right? You need to understand how to say the
Question is
time.
a bit tricky.
Yeah, it is a bit tricky. That's right. That's why you need to practice. But if you learn the things that I told you, like counting in fives, 1 is 5, 2 is 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. It's really easy. If you can do that and remember, 1 to 6, we say past. And then 7 to 12, we say to. If you can remember these things, it's really, really easy. Right, okay, guys, that's it for now. It's time up.
What happened to the screen? My screen is literally freeze.
I don't know. Maybe there's a problem with your computer.
I can move my mouse now, I guess.
Okay.
Oh,
So
we
I'm
can
guessing
leave now.
you guys are starting school this week. So
Yep.
or the week after.
I meant the next week.
The week after.
I
Okay.
start at 17.
Yeah, that's the same day as students at my school. They start on the 17th. So good luck. I hope everything goes well this new school year.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.